Yo, dog, give me a beat. Got some people we gotta sing to. Hey there, student, what's it like in math class? Do you know about the term linear? If you don't, I'll teach you fast. Mathematics is very, very vast. I swear it's true. Hey there, student, linear is a big line, always going up at a constant rate. And man, it looks so fine, it'll shine. Listen to my voice, it teaches you, and you'll learn too. Oh, it extends constantly. Oh, it extends constantly. Oh, extends only. Oh, extends only. And extends constantly. People who were involved with this video is me, Austin Dvorak, aka the teacher, and Bradley. And he's not here right now. I'm pointing at nothing. He's upstairs playing games. But thank you for watching. Yeah, I just taught you about linear equations and stuff. So yeah, see you around.